Quarter 3. Lesson 2: How friction affects movement of objects. Friction is a force that occurs between the surfaces of two objects in contact or rubbing against each other. It may vary depending on the type of surface an object comes in contact with. With this, friction brings advantages and disadvantages to moving and non-moving objects. Let us learn and discover how friction affects moving objects. Objects with bigger surface areas, like a box, are easier to stop, thus, it travels a shorter distance because greater friction acts on it. Objects with smaller surface areas, like a ball, are harder to stop, thus, it travels a longer distance because lesser friction acts on it. Therefore, surface area of contact affects friction. The bigger or greater the surface area of objects in contact with the floor, the greater the friction. The smaller surface area of objects in contact with the floor, the lesser the friction. Air resists the movement of the falling pieces of paper. This air resistance is also known as air friction or air resistance, introduced in Lesson 1. It acts opposite the direction of motion of falling objects. The bigger or greater the surface area of falling objects, the greater the air friction. The smaller the surface area of falling objects, the lesser the air friction.